Treasure Car is back with a video, and today we are working on the motherfucking brakes on this John. Yeah, so he's finna start getting this mug up in the air. Get this motherfucker going crazy. Is it up? I think that's up. Yeah. Low key, I need to take off the lugs first, but I had to make sure I could get it up at least. Fuck. Alright, stay tuned. We're gonna take off them lugs and then we're gonna get up to it. Alright guys, so we are in here. This was a little struggle, but we got it. This little putt ain't gonna get me down. You feel me? A little putt. Alright, y'all. So we getting this cracking. This is the first time I'm taking off this wheel, so yup. Getting on them brakes. We're gonna see the damage right now. I'm scared. We already found out that the shocks are shocked. Them bitches shocked. You feel me? We already found out that the shocks are shocked, guys. Them bitches are shocked. Okay. So we not looking too bad. It's not looking too crazy. What y'all think? Alright, so let me post y'all right here real quick. And then I gotta find this mill, bro. From back here. What mill would y'all think that is? I can't see back there either, bro. That's the toughy part. I feel like, bro, that looks like my biggest meal, bro. And it's not even that, first of all. Second of all, that bitch is not, that shit's big as fuck. Hold on, bro. I'm like, is it the same shit to take off the, bro? Okay. So we like I don't know, bro. This shit SAE as fuck, bro. So 11/16, bro, to take off this brake. It's crazy. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but if I am, who cares? Okay, I might need a smaller 11/16 for that side. Bro, don't tell me the bottom bolt is different. On everything I love, it is. On everything I love, it is. Bro, this shit's smaller than a... Hold on, bro. I'm finna go SAE again. So, this is ridiculous. I'll tell you that. So the bottom bolt smaller. The top bolt is a SAE. Shit. All right, we are unscrewing this bolt. Gotta restart everything, but we're getting there slowly. Oh my goodness, bro. Come on. Bro, if one more thing happens while I'm doing this video, y'all, I'm gonna scream, bro. And I also do not know why this has not come out yet. Like, I've been spinning the fuck out of that shit. What y'all think, bro? It's turning them. You think it's gonna come out? Am I tweaking? I can't be tweaking. Man. It's always one problem after another. Who just walked in? Ugh. Yo, it might just be on this. That might just be the... Damn, nah, I don't know, bro. Yeah, no, them bitches is and weird too. I think they look bent. They look bent up. Bro, we gotta get in this motherfucker. This bolt is bigger too, bro. This shit's so annoying. A little struggle later, I got it, and this pin is like really dusty. Like it's like it needs lube or something. That's what she said. This one too. So I think these pins really just need to be greased up. Let's see my pad work though. Where the hood just fell out? This fell off the thing, the sleeve. So I'm gonna have to grease the fuck out of these things. My pads, we might just change those because we bought new ones, but not too bad. But another thing is, these were rubbing. See, this was supposed to spin like that, but it wasn't. You hear that hitting this? That sounds broken. Unless it's like one on each side. Yeah, it might be one on each side, dude. Okay, yeah, look. These are all bent up. Yeah, that's the problem, y'all. So yeah, no. Whoever like put them in probably like forced them in and then bent them up. Cause this was struggling to spin. You feel me? And it wasn't supposed to. Well, it's not supposed to struggle to spin. So, yeah. I'm about to start piecing this back together and try to like put it back better in a way. If I can't, then no, I'm gonna probably try buying more of these pieces, cause that'll be my other option if it's like hitting it or something. Cause that was the problem. It was like really, yeah, you feel me? It's supposed to sound like that. But you hear how that's scraping it? So you don't want. That's what I keep hearing. Ow. So we're gonna try to make sure it's not making noise. Change those brakes and call it a day, bro. Okay, $20. Like, bro, these pads are not even bad either. They're not bad. Yeah. Like, I damn near would just put these back on. All right, y'all. So I got some lube. So he gonna lube that up. Then I'm gonna take this, go in there. You see me? You feel me? Aha! You heard that? Yes, sir. You see that? We gonna lube that up. You feel me? Like a little spill. Yeah, feel me? All right, we're gonna see if that word helps. Okay. No. it's still it's it's still hard. That shit's still hard. Okay. We're gonna see how it came out. Okay, so it just might take a couple passes. We might just have to clean it. Y'all know what I mean? Lube that motherfucker up, boy. Oh! We just hit, dude. I know you saw that, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck? It just squirted at me, bro. Nah, bro. What the fuck? All right, bro. We're gonna go again, bro. It just squirted at me though. I don't like that. All right. This is a little messy, guys. That bitch squirted, bro. Dude, the brakes is literally squirting, dude. The brakes is literally squirting, guys. Yo, I'm gonna do it one more time. Oh shit. Look at this. That's crazy, bro. So look, it was just dirty. So I'm gonna just keep doing this and then cleaning it off, and then I'm gonna try to get it to siphon through this, and hopefully it could clean up, yo. Hopefully I can clean this up. I'm a little dirty right now. All right, we're gonna see how fast the wheel spins when I'm done, but these were squeaking and like hitting the rotor. So now this is how it should be. Like, I should be able to spin the wheel and it doesn't make no noise like that too. Understood? So that's the goal right now. We're trying to get it like that. Trying to get the whole setup together like this. Back together and spinning. You hear how quiet that is, bro? The AC is louder than this shit, bro. It shouldn't be making noise, bro. It should just be braking and that's it. That's it, bro. It should only be braking. All right, guys. We got this spinning way better, bro. Way better. We got some spins on that. Now we got to see if it makes noise after we start braking. If it does, we're going to have to take it apart again. But we're better than what it was right now. So that's awesome. Y'all call them something different? I don't give a fuck. All right, you could kind of hear it sometimes, but it sounds better though. And then braking is definitely on a decent, but what I'm seeing is the what's it called brackets is the reason that it's like sounding like that, you know? So you could kind of, you feel me? You could hear that. All right, so I don't know what I got with the driving aspect, but hold on, let me write this down. But I definitely did fix this a little bit. It's still, the bracket is still making a little bit of noise, but it definitely sounds better. And the brakes was not spinning freely, like the rim was not spinning freely. So that was another issue. But we definitely just got that done, and I now I know that I don't need brakes, so I could just return my brakes. So that's awesome. And then we gotta do the suspension and wide body now. So slowly killing things off. All right, guys. So as you can hear, it's definitely not squeaking as much. I'm about to hit the brakes right now. I'm about to just hit the clutch. Like really no noise, bro. So the brakes, there was nothing wrong with it or nothing. Smooth sailing, bro. We all good.